Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Clifford. Clifford has been trading with us from the 26th of March 2021. Date of review of this account is 29th of June 2021. Clifford has a daily gain of 0.08%, a monthly gain of 2.45%, and a drawdown of 5.76%. Clifford is now managing $30,000 US. Let's look at the journey of Clifford. As you can see, he hit a drawdown in May for minus 3.07%. He hit another drawdown minus 4.28% in April. But ever since then, Clifford has found his ground and he's just been flying and being consistent in the market by making these pips. Very interesting, Clifford has only had a total of 52 trades, and out of these 52 trades, Clifford has won 29 out of 52, which represents a 56% strike rate. He's lost 23 out of 52, which represents 44% loss rate. So overall, is a profitable trader. The best trade to date was on the 10th of May for $151.30, and his worst trade was $567.71. And up until his present date of 10th of May, he had another record best trade of $695.66. So well done, and you definitely can do better. Let's look at your history log. And from your history log, we can see you got quite a few trades open, but I have to give it to you. You're a very disciplined trader because you use your stop losses more consistently. Just one or two times you've not used a stop loss, which is bad trading practice. But always use a stop loss because it keeps you in control of the trade and prevents you from exposure of unnecessary losses. So it's always important to be in control of your trade, not the trade in control of you. Also, looking at your monthly analytics, we have 0.12% in March, 0.27% in April, 4.06% in May, and 4.2% in June. So this is a very good P&L, and I can only wish you nothing but the best. But looking at the summary of the trades you've taken, it's very interesting, and I always say stick to the pairs that bring you the most pips. The pound Swiss franc, as we can see, the pound yen, pound US dollar, and the US dollar CAD. These are all pairs that brought you consistent profit. But minus that, the Australian dollar yen is the only unfortunate pair you were not successful on. But the excessive gains came from the pound pairs, pound Swiss franc, pound yen, pound US dollar. So focus on these, and I guarantee you, you're going to be more consistent, more efficient, more confident, more robust, and more disciplined in your trading manner and approach. So I wish you all the best.